Hello all, I'm Stancia Stanley. Today I'll be discussing about sources of data collection in training need analysis. First, we will look into what is training need analysis. It is a process of identifying which kind of training is required. Okay, it is also known as a tool to identify the new skills, knowledge, attitudes that employees need to acquire in order to improve their performance. So it is clear that this training need analysis is done in order to identify what kind of training is needed in the organization for what in order to improve the employee performance and the overall performance of the organization. The process of training need assessment happens at three stages or three levels. First one is organizational, then job, and the person or the individual. This is the basis for any need assessment survey, okay, and remains the same more or less in all organizations. There are many techniques for collecting data for training need analysis, and we will look into the techniques used to collect data at each level. First level is organization level. In organizational level, mm, where the aim is to know where in the organization. Okay, um, training need analysis in organizational level aims to know where in the organization. Okay, so the techniques used for data collection at organizational level um, is personal and skill inventories, exit interviews, and MBO. Exit interviews means the feedback collected from employees, those who are leaving the organization. Then MBO means management by objective. We all know that the management and employees come together to make decisions, and that's what MBO means. Okay, and these tools are used to collect data in organizational level. Okay, next is the job level. The job level, the techniques used for data collection include job description, performance sampling, and work sampling. These techniques are aimed at extracting data for understanding the target of training. That is what exactly should be taught in the training. Okay. Then time management is something one critical intervention in project handling and management. Okay, and these techniques at the level of job are useful, but yet not sufficient in helping to understand who requires training and when. Okay, so then we will move on to the individual level. Individual level, the techniques used are performance appraisal and performance appraisal data, questionnaires, and 360-degree feedback. Performance appraisal means it is a process of analyzing the performance of each employee. Then questionnaires means a certain questions or set of questions will be provided to each and employees, and they are asked to answer them. Then 360-degree feedback means collecting feedback collecting feedback about an employee from their peer team, from the managers, from friends, family, etc., like that. From all her surroundings, the management is collecting feedback. Okay, that is 360-degree feedback. So these datas are mainly collected from the employees and the management in an organization. Okay, so that's all about my presentation. Today we have discussed about the sources of data collection in training need analysis. And first we discussed what is training need analysis. Then we came to the three levels in which training need analysis happens. Then we discussed about the data collection techniques used in each level and the sources. Sources are mainly the employees and the management. Okay, that's all about my presentation. Thank you.